Hello, I'm Charlotte and I'm the 8th generation of the family to run the jewellers, Gatwards of Hitchin. Gatwards was originally founded by watch and clockmaker James Gatward, and he first opened our doors in Hitchin in 1760, making us now the oldest family-run jewellers in the UK. Today we pride ourselves on our longevity and we remain a family business committed to the highest standards of customer service. Our beautiful shop dates back to the medieval times. Its wonky floors and oak beams add to the romantic experience of buying beautiful pieces of jewellery. We have a hospitality area where refreshments greet you when you arrive in store, and soft seating areas where you can enjoy privacy as you browse our collections or seek our advice on the perfect piece of jewellery. We pride ourselves on being experts in fine jewellery, diamonds, coloured gemstones and pearls. We also have a number of well-known brands, including Italian gold brands Marco Biccigo and Foppe, George Jensen for both jewellery and giftware, and also a large range of Tissot watches. Quality is one of the core values of our business. Everything has been hand-selected and quality checked by our experienced buying team before it is displayed in our shop or on the website. If we do not think something is of the Gatward standard, we immediately send it back to our suppliers. Expertise is vital in this business, as we know our customers are investing in jewellery for very special occasions. Our team are all qualified to give our customers all the help and the information they need to ensure they make the right choice. All the certificates demonstrating our in-house knowledge are displayed so that our customers know that they can trust us. We believe that buying jewellery should be more than a moment in time. We are here to make that moment memorable, and just as we have stood the test of time, we will be here to look after you and your precious piece of jewellery so that it sparkles just like the day it was new. We have a workshop above our shop, and so if your jewellery needs attention, our full-time goldsmith is here to help. We can also help with remodelling jewellery to breathe new life into treasured pieces. When couples get engaged, we love to pop the champagne and celebrate the happy occasion. We also offer a free photo shoot with local photographers, and we will clean and polish your rings for your big day. We feel that it is these special touches, along with our exceptional customer service, that mean customers will keep returning as they mark the important milestones in their lives. It is our hope that items we sell to our customers will be cherished for a lifetime and passed down through generations of the same family. We regularly get several generations of the same family shopping at Gatwards, so maybe your grandparents or even your great-grandparents shopped here at Gatwards.